Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub. Whoa, what do we have under the hood here? What do we have under this beautiful hot tub cover right now? Looks pretty big, I don't know. Well, let's open up the cover and check it out. Look at that, so easy peasy to open. Woo, there it is. 94 by 94 inch by a whopping 38 inches deep. 2017 Master Spa. Loaded with 50 jets, 2 massive, huge pumps, a 24-hour day economical circulation pump, 2 waterfalls, LED lights everywhere. There's 4 there, 4. LED lights here, another 4. LED lit pillows, LED lit control knobs everywhere. It's gorgeous. Check out the Tuscan sun. Such an awesome, beautiful color that everybody loves and wants, with that taupe gray cabinet. So it's a combination of gray and taupe, just like the steps, which means it matches everything. With all the black accents like the new black cover and new black lifter, it really sets it off just beautiful. Look at the interior, guys. This is not a 4-seater, not a 6-seater. It is a 7 to 8-seater hot tub. One of the reasons why is A, it's huge. It's 94 by 94. It's almost 8 foot by 8 foot. It's deep. We know that, 38 and 8 inches deep, but it has no lounger. So loungers are good and they're bad, right? They're good when you want to lay down, but they're bad in the sense that they take up a third of the hot tub, the space. So with no lounger, guess what? What do you get? Huge, big, wide, deep, open seats with a huge, mega-size footwell. And that's what you get with this spa. It's a master spa. It's a top of the line. This 2017 is a top of the line Twilight series master spa, made in America, Fort Wayne, Indiana. You gotta love it. It is beautiful, guys. Check it out. Just look at the jetting. There's a 5-pack. There's a 4-pack just in the under thighs. So literally, you're there, you're working your under thighs, you're hurting, you're a runner, you're a walker, or we're just getting a little on the upper age, right? We're getting a little older. It feels good. Another 5-pack, a 4-pack of jets. Look at this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 jets in that one seat. Unbelievable. 4 jets hitting the upper shoulders and neck, then upper spine, mid-spine, left and right shoulders, lower back, and then the hips, which is so great. So you got those hip jets really working you. Look at that. Check it out. There are 4 jets underneath the calves. It's outrageous. It is just outrageous. There's another 5-pack of jets. So we don't have any dead zones, any dead seats. Check this out. 2, 4, 6 jets right there. That seat rocks. You've got this big 5-pack. You've got those under the thigh jets. Look at this. They're master blasters. Most of the time, in a better master, they'll put 1 in. This one has 2 huge master blasters. It's like 14 jets hitting you at one time. You can put full pressure of a pump onto the master blasters, or a quarter, or a third, or a half pressure, or turn them off altogether. But if you really want to get your lower back really worked over, you could do that. You want to get some action going in the tub, you could do that. You want to float over it and hold on to the side and let that work your shoulders and your chest, you can do that. And look at this, and you can do anything you want, because look at the size of this footwell. So it has the space for the 7 to 8 seats that you have. And again, that's your 8th seat, but here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The cool down seat, or a kid seat, we'll call number 8. So let's call it a 7 adult comfortable spa in Tuscan sun. And there's one thing I want to point out right now. I'm going to talk a little quieter. This spa right now is filtering and running and heating. Look how quiet it is. You won't hear it. It's barely a little buzz coming from that motor, because it's drawing a third of an amp. It's a 24-hour-a-day circulation pump. So it's not only economical, but it's super quiet, and it filters your water 24/7. which is a beautiful thing. So with that said, look at the LED lights. You see the interior view. Let's turn on these 50 jets. So here's our, look at this, it's a touchpad, guys. Gorgeous, right? So here's low speed Jets 1, just starting to turn on. Here's high speed Jets 1. Now let's turn on Jets 2 high speed. We've got 50 jets rocking right now, guys. 50 jets hitting every part of the body. Nothing is forgotten in this master spa, nothing whatsoever. And I've done a lot of great things to the spa. It has a brand new pump on the left. A large, big, huge pump is brand new. The 24-hour day circulation pump, which does the work for the heater and filtration, is brand new. The heater just to the right of that with the heater sensors, brand new, right? So that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. You already heard about the brand new black spa cover. Gray is the bottom side, black on the outside. Brand new filter lid, brand new pillows throughout, brand new filters. So this tub is just ready to go to be in your backyard. It looks like new, and it's a top of the line American made master spa Twilight, made in Fort Wayne, Indiana. So I hope you're digging the video, you love this spa. It's ready to be in your backyard this weekend. So if you're interested, please call us now. Reach out with questions or to purchase. If you like the hot tub, please click like, and yes, please click and subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel. We're going to keep adding spas here first before we post them anywhere else. So this is the place to be. And we're starting to add how-to videos on chemicals and maintenance. So really going to be some interesting stuff. So once again, check it out. Hit like and subscribe. Hope to hear from you soon. This could be in your backyard. Hope you enjoy the hot water. This is Spa Guy Dave.